Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also something tools. And you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanstuffOnFire.com. All right, to guys, as promised, I told you guys that I will be dropping a course Monday. Today is Monday. Oh my God, look, I'm messing up everything. All right, so guys, you remember the live I did last week on this Hotspot? Router via Hotspot. They have the slot back here for a SIM card, and a lot of you guys was having troubles ever since at&t started shooting guys down or whatever. And I told you in that live that I came across a hotspot that helps hide the TTL and also helps hide whether or not you're coming from a tablet or a cell phone, etc. So all of the information, guys, has been uploaded to a video course. Now this is for the resellers. If you are individual, you can buy it too if you want to save money. I will be at the end of the month. I'm still working with the other company. I will be placing Hotspots packages on my website. But if you're a reseller and you want to get started with something right now, guys, go ahead and get the video course. The price is $150 and it's 6 modules, from the intro where I explain everything what the course is, then how to manage your customers. I show you exactly where to go to get the SIM cards and how to get the SIM cards. I also show you exactly how and where to go to buy this router. They have other routers. I recommend this router, and I show you how to set the router up, the type of numbers you need to put in to help you serve your customers, guys. And for a bonus, guys, I give you a business idea for those of you that might not be in a rural area, right, and people have broadband available to them. I give you a suggestion in the last module doing a recap of how you can really make a lot of money, not just selling internet to people that already have access to high-speed internet, but how you can show them how you can help them when the lights go out and the power go out, and you can help their home security. So there you have it, guys. Go ahead, I have the link. It's going to be a bit link. It's going to be in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it out. If you're not interested in hotspots but you want to know how to make money, guys, I have a video course on how I made 6 figures with this small YouTube channel, and that right there, guys, has been a blessing to so many people. So if you're not interested in a hotspot, check out 6 Figures Journey. It's www.sixfigurejourneys.com. That would also be in the description of the video. As promised, I try to keep my word, guys. There you have it. Go ahead if you're interested. Resellers, make that money. You already know how we do. That magic box, I'm telling you, that router is magic. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.